Is Perplexity taking over Google? Let's find out. By the end of today's video, you're going to have a complete understanding of how to take advantage of Perplexity AI for your workflow. We're going to learn about different features such as focus, why there is even a Discover tab on the chatbot platform, which some features cannot be found on Google, for particular use cases right off the bat. As you see here, we already have a focus feature that isn't available in other chatbots. This allows us to laser in the prompt they're about to put in, depending on our context, whether that be YouTube. We're looking for a YouTube video, Wolf AME Alpha trying to do some math, academic Reddit, and so on. Therefore, your next question might be, why is there a Discover tab? The purpose of the Discover tab is supposed to be like a search engine, so Perplexity's AI value point is it can be used like other models like GPT, but it seems like its main selling point here is that it should be used like a new Google. Don't forget to be my next subscriber by clicking the subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's go ahead and ask a question we would traditionally ask for a search engine. So we're going to say, when will GTA 6 be released? This is the user interface for this kind of search. So what this does do compared to us searching on Google is kind of condenses the information so we don't have to search through the sources ourselves and read the sources ourselves. So what it'll do is it'll give an answer and then it'll reference every single the data point that is where they got the information, as you see from these different article sources. So 1 would be associated with 1, 3 would be associated with 3. If I click, I can go to the source itself there. So a couple of things I want you to take note here. First thing I want you to take note here, how there is no ads traditional search. We would expect to see ads by now, and on top of that, if we clicked on one of these articles, we would most likely get either a pop-up for a newsletter or pop-up for an ad. Is the first advantage, don't forget that. Now we must understand the collections feature. We're going to add it to a collection here. We'll say GTA 6 release date. Now we can reference our chats and categorize them within a collection. So new collection here, we can say GTA 6 release date. And we can add an icon, we can add a description, and we can even add a prompt to fine-tune further chats within this. First off, let's just create this so you kind of understand what it looks like once we create a collection. We're going to simply come up here to this little square icon here. If I go ahead and expand this, it's called the library. Come over here to your right of GTA 6 release date. I'm going to click this. Here is the first major thing we can do and understand about collections. First, notice how the original message that I added to this collection has kind of fine-tuned the suggestions right off the bat, and we can easily edit it. Let's go back out from here though. Check out another feature of which is our ability. If we come over to our settings to adjust the theme and also underlying models used within the chat. This is pretty cool. You will also come down here. As you see, we can choose from different models within the market, such as GTP4, Cloud 2.1, Gemini Pro. Also, we can go ahead and choose image generation models between default and delay 3. This is important, and this is powerful, in the sense that sometimes maybe you want to use GPT for more complex inquiries, therefore we can switch to it within the settings itself, another important feature within the settings. Let's check the Discover tab, which is a search engine. Everyone has a home page that displays various articles for the user, which is based on your interests. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any uploads in the future. The Discover tab allows to access curated content from various domains like Wikipedia, Reddit, and academic papers, ensuring the information is reliable and relevant. This feature helps users to quickly source without sifting through irrelevant results. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any uploads in the future.